Hi there, students. A throng, a large group of people or animals all crowded together. You can also use it as a verb, to throng, to crowd into a place. So there was a great throng of fans at the concert. The fans thronged to the concert. So it's a group of people pushing and jostling. Yeah, they're all together. A mob, a swarm, a horde. Okay? So a throng throngs to a place. So the metro, the underground in the morning, is thronging with people. There are throngs of people on the platforms. The tourists throng to the beach in August. There are throngs of tourists in coastal areas. Okay, so it's a large, dense crowd. You can use it with animals or with people. So I'm thinking about the seals on the beaches in the Arctic. Or not the seals, the walruses. They throng to certain beaches, and there's a throng of walruses on certain beaches where they reproduce. They all meet together. So a throng, it's like a massive meeting of people where they all group together. It was at school and the bell rang for break and the kids thronged into the playground. There was a throng of kids in the playground. Okay? So it's an easy verb to use and an easy noun to use. Use it instead of crowd, a large group. Notice this word is quite formal. It sounds quite formal, quite literary. I wouldn't use throng in an informal conversation. A crowd, to crowd, a large group. But in a more formal context, this is a good word. It's good for your exam writings because it shows your wide vocabulary. Okay, so a throng, a large group of people. Oh yes, the origin. It comes from Old English, from a German origin, and it's related to the word a tumult, lots of people complaining and pushing together, which then comes from to push violently. So if there are lots of people thronging in a place, if there's a throng in a place, they're so tightly packed that you have to push through them to actually get anywhere. Okay, so to throng, a regular verb. People thronged to the concert. There was a throng of people on the street in order to see the Pope. And the cardinals thronged around the Pope. Okay, so a large group of people, a crowd, a swarm if you like. Okay, swarm is normally for bees or swarm of insects. Okay, a throng, large group of animals or people. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A throng, to throng.